Linz, it's nice and warm out there. They get all active and just, stay out of their way, I guess.
Yeah, definitely stay out of their way. I don't want to see one of those. We do have some storm chances, though, for tonight, although they are smaller and the coverage is a lot less. So, but we do have a few of these storms. They are moving toward the valley down near Gila Bend and now inching north of Casa Grande. So you can see they're actually approaching South Mountain. They're moving along the 347 there. So we can't rule out a couple of these making it in to the valley between now and 6 p.m. But again, the coverage a lot lower than 24 hours ago. Even the Rim Country and the Globe area not seeing nearly as many storms as what we were seeing yesterday. The highest concentration is actually north of I-40, closer to the Grand Canyon and even Page and 89 up through Coconino County. This is our future cast. We'll take you through it hour by hour. And again, this is 6 p.m. where we do have a few storms surrounding the valley at that point. But notice after sunset tonight, even the storms up in the high country, they start to wind down. This is almost 10 p.m. tonight, so nice quiet radar by 10 o'clock tonight. We wake up to a quiet start out the door tomorrow, and generally speaking, the coverage once again won't be as high tomorrow, but Mojave County could see a fair number of storms down through the Kingman area. Same thing with the Grand Canyon, but around Flagstaff at 2:30 tomorrow, the Rim, there's not going to be widespread storm activity. Drier air is going to begin to move in, and that's going to change the forecast heading into the weekend. We're talking warmer temperatures, fewer storms. This is our Friday forecast. 101 in Lake Havasu, 100 degrees in Phoenix. Those couple storms up toward Kingman, the Grand Canyon, Flagstaff tomorrow. That's where we'll have the highest coverage. Not necessarily far southwestern Arizona, but Mojave County. That's why we have a 4 for western Arizona tomorrow. 4 for northern Arizona, 4 for the White Mountains, but only a 1 for the valley because it's going to be mostly dry. Notice our dew points. They are going down, but typically when that happens, the air temperature goes up, and that is exactly what is going to happen heading into this weekend and extending into next week. A brand new extreme heat watch from Monday through Wednesday of next week. It includes Safford, Tucson, the lower deserts, and Phoenix. High temperatures are going to be in the 110 to 112 range, and as you can see here, Monday to Friday next week, we're not setting any records, but we're definitely in the dangerous heat category with those 110s and 112s in the forecast. Flagstaff still have a few storms around tomorrow, but fewer storms for the weekend if you're planning anything outside. And then next week, we have several days in the low 80s, so turning a little bit warmer. Here in the valley, temperatures marching up over the next couple of days. The extreme heat watch will likely be upgraded to a warning, so we have weather impact alerts from Monday to Wednesday of next week. Tram?
All right, those red bars are back again. Lindsay, thank you. Some good news for workers and customers.